Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. On today's video I'm going to be switching out my regular AM/FM radio antenna on my 2005 Toyota Tacoma with this 50 caliber carbon fiber bullet from icbeamer.com. I'm Jerry and I'm living the Newcomb life. So for Christmas, my wife bought me a 50 caliber carbon fiber bullet from icbeamer.com. So let's see what's inside the package. So it comes with the antenna itself and a bunch of different fittings so you can have the right size for your vehicle. And it also comes with a set of instructions. Pretty simple. All right, so the first thing that we have to do is get the old antenna off, and what I'm going to use is a crescent wrench. And now what we have to do is we have to use our parts to fit into the antenna. All right, so after some trial and error, it looks like this is the piece that I need. So we're going to screw it down in there. Make sure it's tight. And then we're going to put this sleeve over top of it for a nice snug fit, and then the antenna just screws right on top and we just tighten it up. Okay, now that we got the antenna installed, let's see if it works. Okay, and there you go guys, so you can see it is working great. And that's it guys, really easy to do, and it really dresses up your vehicle. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps our channel grow. And hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.